morning, everyone. I welcome you to KBC News. I am Garvit Gulati, and it's 9 p.m. sharp. Today, we are going to discuss the problems that school students are facing in the pandemic situation and how they are going to deal with it. For this, today, we have invited some of our special guests who are the best representative of our nation. Mr. Kanesh Bansal, Mr. Manik Jain, Ms. Anshika Agarwal, and Ms. Kanika Agarwal. For this, I am starting putting some of the questions in front of you, and you are supposed to give answer according to your turns. My first question towards you is that is online teaching efficient for students?
I don't think online teaching is efficient for students because each and every student of a nation could not afford online teaching, like the weaker section of the society who could not afford to buy a TV. How will they afford or manage online teaching? And even other people who are coping up with the online teaching. Sometimes the teacher may loses connection. Sometimes the child may loses connection. So it's very difficult, and I don't think it's an efficient method of teaching.
Manik?
since we cannot afford since we cannot afford to lose these studies the whole year, we cannot afford to lose the whole year. So how do you think the studies should happen?
Anyone more?
See, there are many conventional courses available. The child can opt these resources. It will not even lead to inequality.
But most the people in our country don't know about the conventional.
When you are
Like you have
saying
said.
when you are saying a weaker section of the society cannot afford the online teaching, how can they afford the national courses?
Right.
And ma'am, let me tell you one point. Do they even know about conventional courses?
See, if they don't know, it's a time to make them aware about it.
So what is government doing to make them aware about them?
Actually, government cannot do anything in this. Government can only do to the education of the children, of the weaker sections of the children, because
Why government cannot do
But
anything?
the
they
government,
can actually.
but the government needs 70 for voting for their prachar. Then why can't they use it for providing education to children? I want the answer from Mr. Manik Jain.
This is just our idea. This is not the government provided. That government is not saying that they are providing any conventional courses. This is our idea for the way that study should happen. So if we convey this message on a large scale, then government may do something.
That's why we are here present in the prime time of Mr. Gavit Gulati, so that we can convey our message to the government.
Yes.
So my next
So
question is from Mr. Manik Jain. You told me that school fees should be hiked or not.
School fees should be, I think when teachers are working, the online studies material is provided by the teachers. So I think tuition fees should be allowed to be paid by the parents. Rest all fees should be
Sir, I
not
think
be
you
allowed.
didn't get my
Relax.
question. I was asking that school fees should be hiked or not.
School fees, I don't think school fees should be hiked. During the corona period, the economy is already slowing down. I don't think there is any need of hiking school fees. It will only add up to the burden to the parents.
And you also said that schools should charge fees. But my point is
Yes.
that there are many parents in our country who have suffered hard hit by the pandemic. How will they be able to pay the school fees?
So I think those who have been affected, either government should provide some steps, or they should take their children to the government school, because school also have to pay to the teachers and various taxes, etc. They have to pay.
government is
So I
also
don't think that
providing,
school
right?
fee should not be.
And and even if government will provide them with fees, the point is that our parents are able to provide fees. Are students able to get education through online teaching? Because the network bandwidth of our country is too low, that there are multiple network issues. If he or she is a rich billionaire son, then also he may have network issues during online classes.
I think that online teaching is not efficient, but it's the only way. Something is better than nothing.
So, but then the point comes that are all of us accessible to it?
not
And if you only
all are not all are not accessing.
then it will
I
lead to
agree with Mr.
I
Kanish
think
Bansal.
I I think that government should provide some steps like there can be schools should be open. Schools
Yes.
should be open that online teaching should be scoped.
Basically, what we
according
But,
conclude from
schools-
that.
government provide TVs to each and every locality, each and
How
every
can
house. The
how can government provide TV? How can government provide TV? Government during the time of the lockdown, the government is during the day all the taxes all they are receiving nothing and they are hike the petrol tax.
Sir, the Bharatiya Janata Party, who is the ruling party of our country, spent crores in their popularity for their prachar in West Bengal and Bihar, and they use television only
Ganesh
for that.
Bansal,
virtual
don't
rallies.
involve politics in it.
Sir, this is not politics.
You are getting involved in the politics right now.
We are not discussing any dirty politics here.
So basically, what we conclude from that online teaching is efficient for some sections of the society, but not all sections, right?
Yes.
Yes.
My next question towards you is that when will school be reopened?
Not
These
before than a
schools should
year.
not
Schools should not be opened.
this year.
I think schools should open. Schools should open after the summer vacation because during the corona spread, the corona is not stopping, and the more and more we will take the break, the corona is spreading on a high speed. So I think we should need to learn to live with the corona. We should take some measures such as social distancing, mask,
अब मैं
sanitizing, and
Now Mr. Kanish
Thanks
Bansal
to-
is leaving us. He is leaving us because he has a special work to do. Thanks Kanish Bansal for joining us.
Thank you, sir. I am obliged to attend.
My next question toward you is that if school doesn't open this year and if school opens next year, what will happen to the study of those children?
I think
The study
studies
of the
should,
children will be affected.
studies will
very
not affect
badly.
because
Speak one by one, please. Kanika first.
yes, Miss Kanika, you can
I
speak.
think the study of the children will get affected badly because they will lose their 1 year, and which is a very precious time for the students, especially for the last year students, because they have to do the higher education also after after 12th. So I think schools should be opened in maybe August or September only.
Excuse me, Miss Kanika
Yes, sir.
Agarwal, you are saying that studies will start, but I think at this time the health is a foremost duty.
So yes, I'm saying for that only that school should be reopened, but not in July. It should be reopened after 2 or 3 months, because after 2 or 3 months the situation will get a little better. Now it is actually
No, how can say that?
How
How
could you
can you
say?
say that
How could you say that?
condition is getting better? The condition is getting worse and worse day by day. I think we
Day by
need
day.
to learn how to live with the corona.
Yes.
Yes, we
I
should
think
learn.
school
to live,
should open.
with-
School should open in July only. We need
So-
to.
So the debate for the day is over. But as you know that, get ready for the prime time for tomorrow at sharp 9 p.m. We will be there with some new topic and with some new guests. Thank you. And thank you to all our guests also.
अबे
Stay safe, stay at home.